Well, I noticed a lot of new faces this evening, and I'm so glad you all came. And I want you to know that this is a safe place to share. So if you want to tell us your story, there'll be no judgment.
Hi, my name's Charlie, and as you know, I have a problem. I'm addicted to cars. And one of the cars that I'm addicted to is our 1995 Cadillac Seville SLS. Papa's been working on it today. I wanted to do a quick video. It's really cleaning up nice, so I'm gonna have to do an update video pretty soon on all the stuff that he's done. But what we wanted to show you now is actually, Papa noticed that the reverse lights when he's backing up were really, really dim. So he wanted to change those bulbs out, and he couldn't find anywhere online to kind of, as a guide to taking those rear lights out. So we thought maybe we'd do a video on it in case anybody else runs into this problem. There's not a whole lot on YouTube, surprisingly, on these Cadillacs. So let's take a look and see what he's doing. Here is the Cadillac. He's really shining it up, looks really good. So you're looking at how to take these things out, right?
Yeah, because the light is in. 1,
okay. 2,
3.
Okay.
Have to change the light.
Uh-huh.
Then open up the back. So first thing is
you need this thing?
Yeah. And there's something like this.
Yeah.
Like that. So here are 2. Take it out. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Out. Another 1. Out. This is 2. There's another one here. Select. Okay. Okay. Another one here inside.
Oh.
The clip. Get out. Another one. There's one here. There. Just like this. 1 and 2.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now we're gonna open this up. We need to open everything. This there. Then there's another one here. Take it out. Like that.
Uh-huh.
Then have another one here. Here. There's 3 of them. Okay. There. Now open this up. Push this in. Take it out. Okay. Here. B. There. Then take it out. There we go. Look at it there. Connection, huh?
Uh-huh. And there's all your bulbs.
Yeah. Now we're interested with this bulb, the white one, right? So take it out. Push and turn.
Okay.
Right? Can you see that? Push and turn, and then okay. Bulb is this normal bulb here. I took it out already, right?
Uh-huh.
But remember, there are 2 straight line.
Oh, the straight ones.
11. This
Which
is
one is it?
1156. 1156.
Oh, you're changing it with LEDs?
Then I'll change it with LED.
Oh, that'll be nice and bright.
So he can have a brighter light, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Right there. There. Now, same. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Take this out.
Which bulb is this?
This is it, because we just changed it because it's not so bright anymore.
Oh, okay.
There. That's the okay. That's the opposite. Let's see. There. There. Okay. The wider one on top. Wider one on top. Then lock. Okay? Lock in the middle. Turn counterclockwise. Like that. So I bought the other one, the new one. This one. I just like to change it because it's old, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Now you just push this because when you took it out, you just pull.
Yeah.
So push this. Push. Push because when you took out, it's pull.
Okay.
Okay. Now there. That's it. Okay. Now counter clockwise. Clockwise.
Good.
Lock. Lock. And this one. Okay. There. Click.
Good.
Just lock.
Yeah.
Now we're done. That. Okay. Then we lock.
Yeah.
So we have to lock it inside here, right? The two. Put this one and put this two. Then we lock this, right? And then we lock that. The other one is outside. Here, there is outside here. This is like that. We need another one.
Yeah.
That's it.
So there we have it. That's how you access the rear light assembly. There's a lot there to take off. I think in just about all of our other cars, the Optima and the Lexus, it's just one thing you twist and you have access to it. So a little bit more to it. Not rocket science, but I can see why it took them a while to figure out where everything was to get that released. But anyways, yeah, take a look at this thing. He's been working on buffing the paint, especially on the hood. This looks really good. Looking much better. Such a pretty car. Like I said, we'll do a proper update video on the Cadillac, and we've got lots more stuff to show you. Like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, and I'll see you on the next one.